Wee. See them come already. Ready? Excited? You can't just throw them like that though, you know? You have to take your time. And be careful, mine is dropping in water, water dirty.
Yes, and mine is dropping the duck's eyes. Look at this duck. Okay.
Hold on, hold this. Hold that the phone, it's recording. Then drop it, take your hand from the camera. Thank you very much. You have a run?
No.
You want to run him? See, you don't start feeding it. Yeah, say hi.
Look at that little duckling that they had just hatched.
Come, you gotta break it. Don't just throw it like that. Break that thing too. Yeah, break it small, small. Throw it now. Throw it.
They're fighting.
Don't go too close, please. Throw it. Not too hard, Kiki. Be careful, alright? Yeah.
That wasn't scary.
It's not?
I don't reckon ducks do that. When they try to back off me.
I'm not trying to do nothing. Because you throw the food up here, that's why I'm come up here for it. Watch your mouth go back down. You know? Throw the food down there. I want to see how fast you go down. But you might get food up here, Kiki, so now go on, go down.
He's not looking at me.
Stop, Kiki, stop. Him no want it. See him go back. Make him go on. Go.
You still get your mind. I want to try, but it's a bit dangerous.
No, Kiki, don't.
He wants some tasty bread. Here you go, little bastard. He wants some.
Yay, big fight. Watch, watch. Watch.
And a bite is going to take back off.
Huh?
The duck said back off by doing this.
Yo, I'm glad you're happy, Kiki. I'm so happy. You know you are my bad chargy.
Daddy, can we go to the park now?
Yes.
Or have a...
I'm hungry. Go. They want more food and we don't have no more food to give them. So them vex with me. Come. Come. Yeah. That's how it goes. We don't have any more food. We have no more food.
Give them their space around. Well, if you don't give them more their space, guess what will happen?
What?
They'll fight you and bite you off and spin you off the skin.
Just to look, just to look. Huh?
Remember when we had ice cream there?
Ice cream? We did a lot of stuff. See? That's our fire right there.
I know,
Yeah.
because we were camping out there.
Yep.
And
Lots of fun memories right here. Remember we cook food. We even plant a tree up there. Remember?
yes, I even got my tent there.
And your tent. True, you remember everything.
Let's go to the walk.
No, don't go up there. Don't go up that side. Come, we're just looking. Come, ready. What you say?
Who's the garbage? The black bin or the blue bin?
You know remember what the blue bin is for? Blue bin is for recycle. That's where you put bottles and
But
stuff.
recycle means reuse it.
Yes. May the road be kind to you. Hey, cha-cha. Oi. No, hold on.
You did it?
Wee.
I'm telling you. That didn't hurt, but that was crazy. Like and subscribe.